Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PLUG. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis a few days ago, so that's where these red and green line annotations are coming from, but want to get things updated here. And mainly in regard to the question that we were tracking, and that question revolved around the fact that, this portion of the chart here made a very nice upwards move. In fact, it was a breakout of what? Well, this 215 area, as you can see, for the longest time, the price just really struggled to get above it. And just on several occasions kept getting rejected by it. But then right there a few days ago, the price was able to break through it. And the question at that point become, hey, is this the start of something bigger? Is there genuine power behind this breakout? And we now have our answer, and no, there was not any genuine power behind it. It was a fake breakout. Now, just because it was a fake breakout, I'm not saying that the entire chart's ruined. We are just talking about strictly the breakout here. I want to say that again. I'm not saying the entire chart's ruined. We are talking about strictly this breakout here. And this was a fake breakout. What gives me the right to say that? Well, I'm not trying to insult your intelligence, but if it was a true breakout, the price wouldn't have gone back to where it all started. The price would keep progressing forward. Like I said, I'm sure you're saying, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course it wouldn't go back to where it started. Well, where did the price close today? You can see it's right back here at this green line, where it all started on the breakout. Now, can something new start? Absolutely. But as far as this price movement right here is concerned, there was not any genuine power behind it. Or else the price wouldn't have gone back to where it started. So back to the drawing board for the bulls in that sense, in terms of needing to, just put something new together. But if they do put something new together, these lines here that I've talked about before still all, are in play. 227 and 239 up there, 240. But kind of pointless to talk about those levels right now. One step at a time. And that first step is going to be, not only stabilizing, but then getting back above that 227 mark. So all in all, overall chart, I should just illustrate that, still great. I mean, don't get me wrong. Like I said, big picture, the bulls are still putting in higher overall lows, and that's what you want to see. But just in terms of this breakout move right there, yeah, with the price going back to where it started, that's just not what truly strong breakouts do. Breakouts will continue to break out. So back to the drawing board in that regard, but taking a step back, looking at, multiple days here, bulls are still in control, so we'll see if they can put something new together or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.